Hello guys, welcome back to the class. Okay, yeah, welcome back to the mathematics class. So in this class we will look through this solution of this question for this upcoming joint examination. Okay, mathematics. This is the first likely question to the first class of it today class. So I have another video to drop on this this upcoming joint examination for promotion exam for SS2. So guys, if you're just joining my channel for the first time or view my video for the first time, try to subscribe, like, or change the button in case you have benefit like this. You'll be the first one notified. So don't joke with this question. It's very, very important. Okay, if this question doesn't come out, likely question will come out like this question. Okay, it's very, very important. Don't joke with this question. So guys, let's dive into how you can solve a question like this. Many of you may find it difficult to solve a question like this. It is somehow techniques. Okay, but some of you may know how to solve it. But let's dive how you can solve the question like this. Okay, the question says that to solve the equations. Okay, let me try to zoom it out. Okay, so you can see it well. The question says that to solve the equation. Okay, we have the equation. We have y plus 2s plus. Okay, let me try to use the mouse to indicate it as y plus 2s plus 1 divided by 4 equal to. We have 3y plus s plus 1 divided by 8 equal to. We have 2y plus 3s plus 3 plus 2 rather divided by 9. So how do you solve this equation? Okay, when you see this equation like this, you want to find the value of what? S and y. So how will you solve it? Yeah, can you solve it? That's the question there. So what if you see the this question in this upcoming joint exam mathematics? We know how to solve it. Can you solve it? Okay, let's dive to it. So let me try to zoom it a little bit. Okay, obviously you can see it. So let's go. We have in this place, what just have to do here, let's compare that this first, let's say this place is the first term, we have the second term, we have the third term. So let's say this place is this third term, let's say this place is A. Let's represent this one as A. So let me pick my pen out. Let's represent this one as A. So let's say this place represents as B, and let's say this place represents as what? As C. So that we are equal to this. So what you just have to do here, let this A to be equal to B, and also let this A to be equal to C, and then you get your answer. So what am I saying next is now? So let's bring it to practical. Our A to be equal to B, and let's solve that A equal to B first. Then you go to what? A is equal to what? C, and then you get your value of S and Y. So let's dive into it. Say our A is equal to B first. Let's solve the first 2 here. Our A is equal to this. That means that we have a y. We have y plus 2s plus 1. Okay, this one is s. So divided by, we have 4. That will be equal to, okay, b, and b is equal to this. That is 3y plus s plus 1 divided by, you have 8. So in this question, let's solve what we have here. So when you solve it now, this way is in fraction. Okay, we have this one also in fraction, and they're separated by equal to. So whenever I say a situation like this, mathematics where they're separated by equal to, what you just have to do here is to multiply. So when you multiply, it means that this multiply by this and also this multiply by this. So let's go. So there are 8 times all this that give us as what? As 8 into brackets. Okay, that is y plus 2s plus 1 close bracket. Okay, that equal to the same thing here. 4 multiplied by all this. That gives us 4. We open bracket for it. We have a 3y, plus s plus 1 close brackets. Okay, so let's open the bracket now. Okay, so when you open the bracket, that will be 8 times y. That gives 8y. So we have our 8y here. Plus, that is 8 times 2s. That gives 16s. We have 16s. We have plus 8 times 1. That is 8. We have 8 to be equal to. Okay, so in this aspect also, you open the bracket also the same way we did this. So that will be 4 times 3y, that gives 12. We have 12 for 12y. We have 4 times, we have plus 4 times s, that gives us 4 s, and also we have 4 times 1, that is plus 1. Okay, so we have opened the bracket now. So what's the next thing to do now? So next to do now is to collect the like sign. Take s to s and take y to y. So let me bring what we have here at this place. So let's collect the like sign now. So when you collect the like sign, we have our y, it's y here. Why did I say y here? Let's take this y to this place, and let's take this s to this place, and let's take the number here. Let's say this number here to this place. So let's go to the left hand. Okay, let's first of all, we have 8s, we have 8y rather, we have 8y, we have y here. So here the 12y here is positive. When immediately comes to this place, it's turned to negative. We have a minus what? That's minus what? 12 what? Y. Okay, and also we have plus 16s. Okay, so other s, what they say is we have a plus 4s now. So this 4s will come to this way, give us a minus 4s. So it's equal to, that's minus what? 4 what? S. And also we have a, so let's take this a to this side, and this one now we have equal to, so we have take all this one to this place, or this one plus 4s has come to this place. So this 8s, this 8, let's take to this side here. So here we left with what? Plus 1 here. So let me write the 1. And this one, this is plus 8. When it comes to this way, it's 1 minus. That gives us minus what? 8. Okay. 8. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This way should be 4 times 1. That gives it as 4. What is 4? Okay, 4 times 1 is 4. So therefore, this space is not equal to 1. This we have 4 here. So maybe I made another mistake. It might be because I'm somehow fasting. So hope you understand it now. This one multiply like this. Okay, we have this 2 times s. 4 times s. We have 4s. 4 times 1. We have 4. Okay, that's what we have here. BKS. That's what we have here. So let me make that mistake again. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's do the correction now. So let's go down. We have collected like time now. So what's next we do now is to add 8y minus 12y. That give us that is 4y. That give us minus 5y, because this one is bigger than this. That is minus what? 4y. We have minus 4y. And also we have here is plus 6s minus 4s. That give us 12s. That is plus what? 12 what? S. And also we have equal to, we have 4 minus 2. Okay, 4 minus 8. That gives us minus 4, because this 8 is bigger than this 4. That gives us minus 4. So we have minus what? 4 here. So then if you look at this place now, what is common to both sides there? What is common to both sides there? 4 is common to both sides there. So 4 can divide by this, 4 can divide by this, 4 can divide by this. So when you say divide both sides by 4, so when you divide both sides there, let me open bracket here. Let's say we divide both sides by 4, because 4 is common to both sides. 4 can divide by 4. So let's say that 4 divided by this, that gives us what? That's minus ly. We have minus what? Y here. Okay. 4 divided by 12s, that gives us plus what? 3 what? 3s. That be equal to 4 divided by minus 1, that gives us minus what? 1. So here we will give us at least a simple equation now. Okay. So in this aspect now, let's rearrange it. So let's take s to be in the front, and let's take this y to this place. So let's rearrange it. So this one will becomes, okay, let me roll this place out here. So I think this we can still contain it. So we have equal to, it will be what's called 3s. Okay, right to this on this page, we have a minus y be equal to, we have minus 1. So let's call this one equation 1. Okay, we have solved this one, this times this, that's a times b, that's a is equal to b. We have solved a to b is equal to 3s minus y equal to minus 1. We have called equation 1. So the next thing now, let's equate this one, a to be equal to b, which this one to be equal to this. So let's put it here. Let me start from here. We have our, okay, let me start from here. We have y, that is y plus 2s plus 1, okay, divided by, we have 4 to be equal to, our c here to be equal to this, that is 2y plus 3s plus 2 divided by, we have 9. So the next thing now, you call the same thing with the process of this one is to collect like time, you cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, we have this times this, we have this times this, okay. So let's use 9 to multiply by what you have here. So it will be 9 into brackets, have 9 into bracket y plus 2 what? S plus 1 close bracket. The same thing here, the 4 multiplied by all this place, okay. So we have it as a 4 open bracket, that is 2y, okay, plus 3s plus 2 close bracket. So what's the next thing now? Next thing now, let's open the bracket now. So So if you open the bracket, that is 9 times y, that gives us 9y, right? That gives, we have a 9y, okay, plus we have a 9 times 2s, that gives us 18, right? 18s. 9 times 1, we have 9, that is plus 9 here. So we have solved the bracket here. So let's go to the second right hand side now. To be equal to 4 times 2y, that gives us 8 what y, and also 4 times 3s, that gives us a 12, that is plus what? We have plus that is plus 12s, and another 4 times 2, okay, that gives us plus what? 8. Okay, so we are open the brackets, so don't do mistake here, because something like this may easily do mistake. So you have to be very careful when you're solving a question like this particular question and particular topic. So next now, you collect like time the same way we collect like time in this place. So let's collect like time. So when you collect like time now, so what will be the answer? Let's take s to s and y to s, a number and number to number. So you have a 9y here, is 9y. So let's take the y, we have 8y here. So let's take this to this place. We have our 8, that is our 9y. Take this to minus, that is minus what? 8y, okay. And also here you have plus what? Plus 18s, okay. So here is plus 12s, then to come to this is negative. That is minus what? So that is minus 12 what? S. And next thing, now let's take this plus 9 to this side. Here we left with what? 8. So that will be equal to 8. Okay. So let's take this plus 9 to this side, so to negative what? 9. That gives us minus what? 9. So the next thing, now let's do calculation. 9y minus 8y, that gives us y. Okay. So here we have done with this. So this now is made this. That is 18s minus 12s, that we give out. That is we have plus 6 what? We have 6 what? 6s, and they equal to, that we equal to. So this aspect now we have 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 we have 1. So here we have no. So this 9 is bigger than this 8. We have negative 1. So here is minus 1. Okay, so let's rearrange this and let's make it like this. So if we arrange this one, we have what? We have 6 or 6s, okay, plus y equal to minus 1. So let's call this one equation 2. Okay, so we have break this one down. We have this is what we get for it. We have 6s plus y equal to minus 1, and the first one here we have 3s minus y equal to minus 1. So let's bring the two equations together, and then you solve the value of what? Of s and y. So let me try to make it here. Let me try to make it feasible here. Okay, let me roll it. So let's say that the equation 1, we have equation 1 as what? As 3s, okay, as 3s minus y equal to minus 1. Okay, our equation 2, we have what? As a 6s plus y equal to minus 1. So this one equation 1, this one equation 2. So next thing here now, this is at least two simultaneous equation now. Now we have three methods of solving simultaneous equation, but for the sake of this video, I would like to use solution method, and I will use it for equation 2. So okay, when I make what? Y the solid formula for the equation 2. So I will say from equation 2, like that, for equation 2. So we have our y, okay. Let's make y the solid formula for equation 2. So in this place now, if we make y the solid formula for equation 2, we have it as y equal to, so y will be equal to, we'll take this 6s to this side. That give us, here we have minus 1 here, before we have minus 1. So this one give us minus what? 6 what? S. Okay. So that is how we get to us. So let's call this one equation, that gives us equation 3. Let's say this one is equation 3. So we have get our y to is equal to minus 1 minus 6s. So let's put this one equation 3 into equation 1. Then we get the value of what? Of s. So let's put, anywhere say what? Y replaced by this in equation 1. So let's put it now. We have a 3s. We have a 3s, okay. We have minus, and we have y here. So let's open bracket here. Let's replace the y by what we have here. That is minus what? Minus 1 rather. We have minus 1 minus 6 what? S. Okay, let's close brackets. Will be equal to, we have minus what? 1. Okay, so this is equation 1 now. This one has been placed as what? As s, as y rather. So let's open the brackets. We have minus times minus here, we give us plus. So this one we have 3 what? 3s plus 1. Okay, minus times minus here that give us what as plus 6 what s that is equal to minus 1. So next now you collect like sign. Okay, we are take this what plus 1 here to this side, give us negative 1. So here we have what, let me arrange it, that is what 3s plus 6 what s will be equal to, that is minus 1 minus 1. This plus here constitutes result of minus 1, that is how this minus 1 here. So let's bring this one down to this aspect. So okay, let me bring it down. So in this place now, what we just have to do here is to add this one. We have 3s plus 6s, we have 9s, so we have a 9s here, okay, and this is equal to minus 1 that gives us a minus 2. So now to get the value of s, now divide both sides equation of s, that is 9, divide both sides by 9, divide both sides by 9. So this 9 we cancel 9 here, so it means that our s is equal to minus 2 over 9. So the answer for s is equal to minus 2 over 9. Then let's get the value of what? Of y. So I'll get our s, main value of y. So to get the value of y now, so let's put this y is equal to minus 2 over 9 into equation that's equation 3. Let's put it in equation 3. So to solve that, what we just have to do here is to let's put this one into equation 3 here. So our equation 3 we have what y to be equal to, we have what minus 1, okay, we have minus 1, we have minus what 6 open brackets because of s, this 6s here, and our s is equal to minus 2 over 9. So let's put this in bracket, that is minus 2 over 9. So let's close bracket. Okay, now so let's solve it now. That is, let's open the bracket we have here. So we have it as y to be equal to, y is equal to, that is this times this, minus times minus we have plus. So let me write this as minus 1 here. Okay, that gives us plus because this that gives us this. Okay, we have minus times minus we get plus. So you know, if you know that here, this 3 can go in 6, we have 2. Okay, 3 in 9 we have what 3. Okay, so in this place 2 times 2 that we have 4. We have 4 here. Okay, we have here remains what 3. So it's 4 divided by what 3. So the next thing here now is to find the SM of this way. This one is in fraction. Make this one also what in fraction, and you find the SM of the denominator. The SL of 1 and 3 is equal to what? 3. Okay, so that will be equal to, so let me be equal to y is equal to, so when you find the SM is what is 3, so like over what? Over 3. So in this place now we says that what 1 divided by 3 times minus 1, that gives us minus what 3, that is a plus. Okay, 3 divided by 3, that's 1 times 4, that is 4. So we have 4 here. So if you say that minus 3 plus 4, that gives us 1. So therefore let me write it here. Let me break it down here. So let's say from this place we have our y. Our y is equal to, that is minus 3 plus 4. We have it as that is 1 over 3. So it means that our y is equal to 1 over 3. Y, our s is equal to what? Minus 2 over 9. So now the answer for y is equal to this. Okay, and the answer for s is equal to what? This. So this is the solution to this question, guys. So if you enjoyed the class, don't forget to subscribe, like, also touch the button in case what you're benefit like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching to this moment, and also don't forget, share it across our friends that are writing this and coming joint examination. This question is very important. Okay, so we shall see the next class for the second question of this particular video, guys. Let's go.